Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. Bangladesh Rice Research Institute, BRRI, has projected 42 lakh tons of rice surplus in 2030.
Chop Mool strengthens its organic philosophy by reinvesting in Bueller.
US soybeans provide not only a quality ingredient, but also a consistent one for domestic and international buyers.
Chinese modern technology is favorable for Pakistani rice production.
Smart risks drive innovation, the journey to short stature corn.
FAMSUN and the embassies of the Republic of Madagascar have signed a strategic cooperation framework agreement.
Grain Market September 7, 2021.
Indian Animal Feed Market, Industry Trends, Share, Size, Growth, Opportunity, and Forecast 2021 to 2026.
A Regular Advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Bill Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.